Hey guys, so I have a couple of different Facebook sale pickups here. I have a guy that looks out for me in a neighboring town, so I have gotten to pick up a couple different batches from him, but I still haven't had a chance to process because it's summer and the kids are home and things are way busy. So I figured we'd go through it today. So let's see what all we got. Alright, so looks like we have Sky Dancer. She's missing her tail. She actually, I don't know, she's got some wear, but overall I think she'll clean up pretty well. Just missing some of her symbols on this side. They are dirty. And we have a lemon drop. And I'm not sure if this black is gonna need to fade or if it's just gonna wash off. She's got some, they are dirty, but that might just wash off. We'll see. Now, then we have a So Soft Pony cupcake. Just cute little cupcake designs on her rear here. And honestly, I think her flocking even looks really good. She's a little dirty, but honestly, she looks like she's in really good shape for a flocked pony. Yeah, I've gotten a few good flocked ponies lately where they're just a little bit dirty. And she's gonna be pretty, I think. And we have Medley. Her little bum is kind of, little heat should fix that, hopefully. She's got her washer in there somewhere and no tail. But I don't see age spots, which hopefully there's kind of a mild discoloration. And I think it's just dirt, but we'll know when we clean it. Alright, and then we have Mommy's Surprise. Let's get her. Her symbols actually look really nice. She's a little dirty. She's got a pink highlighter mark here. I got the sticker stuck to me. Ah! They won't. I can't get them off. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh, there's I'm trying to stick them somewhere besides myself. Get off of there. Oh my gosh. Okay, got it. Okay, so we have Mommy Surprise. And she's actually she looks really good. Other than a few little things. So she's got a little highlighter pink mark, but I think when she goes out to sunfade, that should go. And just a little bit of surface dirt. Hopefully she cleans up really nicely. She's pretty. We have Cotton Candy. She's got some ground and dirt down here. And some more of that. I'm not sure what they got into, but they have like an overall dirt stain going on, so we'll see. But that'll take a little work to get out, but otherwise she looks pretty good. I've got Seashell. Oh, you poor dirty girls. They are so filthy. Alright. She looks pretty good. Just some dirt and a little bit of yellowing. Oh, that's one of their tails. I don't know which, but could be either. Oh, and we have a Flatfoot Minty. Oh, she's little tail rust going on in there, but we'll take her apart and clean her up, and it's nice to get the flatfoots. They are a little bit, they seem to be doing a little bit better value-wise on eBay, so I like getting those. And then Starshine, she's looking pretty good too. A little dirt. Nothing too unusual. That's good. It's interesting. It's actually kind of pretty, even though I don't think it's supposed to be doing this. Her symbol is like it has like a gradient of more of an orange to gold. It's supposed to be flat like this, but it's kind of pretty. Like Moon Dancer, and she has a little more damage. She's got a little bit of a chew or something going on right at the end. I might be able to use a little heat and smooth that out so it's not so bad. She's a little grimy. And then we have Galaxy. Again, she's got a little chew. Her horn is a little bit messed up. I'm not sure if there's much I can do about that. I might be able to just smooth that out a little. And I'm not sure if this shows up or not, but it's really common to see this girl especially, and a few others. They get like pink, I call them pink highlighter marks. Some people, it depends on if it is or not. It might be regrind where the plastic has been mixed in another batch, and so they get like this. Over time it turns like to a different color. And or it's just she's dirty inside and there's like mold growing and it's discoloring her. I don't know which until I get inside, but it's kind of all over. Usually it's a little less noticeable when they're clean, but right now she's very dirty. And then we have poor Twilight. Her horn has been cut. Oh. And her tail. I think some of it might actually be inside, but it's missing. She's missing most of her tail. Poor thing. She'll be a good bait pony for someone to do something fun with. Alright, we've got Peachy. Her tail's like coming out and she has a bit of a rat's nest going on here. I don't even know what all's in there. It's dirty. Dirty. Your ears. Your mother told you to wash your ears. Oh my gosh, guys. You. Anyway, that's Cotton Candy. She's not looking too bad. She's a little sticky and grimy. And we have Posy. She's got a little stain there. Her hair has turned white. She's been out in the sun a bit then. And other than this stain here, which could even wash off, she's looking pretty good. So this little guy was loved by somebody with the initial M, I'm assuming, and they wanted to make sure this little guy didn't go anywhere it wasn't supposed to. I have gotten a couple more of these same ones, different pony, same marks, back in September, October of last year, and it has taken almost that long till now to get the marks off with sun fading, but it does eventually go away, which is amazing. I can't believe something that dark after almost a year is no longer visible. So it takes some patience and some dedication, but it does go away. No. And we have a Wuzzle, Butter Bear, cute. We have a Care Bear. This is Bedtime Bear. He's got a little chew though. Well, a bit there too. Poor guy. Something got a hold of you. And then we have Grumpy Bear. He looks like he's in a little bit better shape. And he found a Moondreamer's lion, which is really cool. The one thing I've noticed, looks like their heads do come off, and this one, it's hard to tell, but it looks like this one probably went in the bath because it looks like there is something inside that's discoloring it a little bit. So I'm gonna have to get you apart somehow. And it looks firmly glued, so that's gonna be a challenge, but pretty cute. These guys, they seem like they could just be buds. They're like the same height and similar. I just uncovered a baby Ember hiding in the batch. You've got paint in your hair. But other than this haircut at the front, she looks like she's doing pretty well. Okay. We got any more hiding in here? No. Alright, so now we have some more G3s. And she has some serious frizz. It's like, these are the, that's going to be rough. I don't know how much of that will go away. A little bit of it, but when it gets really bad, it's tough. And this one's cute with her little pina colada or whatever she's got on her rear. That's cute. Got a Valentine pony, and she's got her cute little heart lollipops on her butt. And we've got another G3. Oh. And poor Minty. Minty, you have been drawn on, and your hair's been colored. Yeah. On a regular G1 pony, I would say sun fading works, but on these guys, their vinyl is a little different, and it just fades really bad, from what I've seen. So, I don't ever trust sun fading on these G3s. They seem to get, just doesn't seem to do the right thing. We'll see. And she's had a little haircut. Another haircut. And a little paint wear. She might not be too bad. How cute. Their little wings are so cute. She looks good. And we have this really pretty Cheerly with her pretty rainbow leg back here. I like her hair colors. The different pinks look nice when it's all done. Another Cheerly. Oh goodness, Cheerly again. G3.5 though. Oh, another Cheerly. We had a little, somebody had a little Cheerly army. Alright guys, well, that just about does it for today's video. I am super excited to see what these guys look like once they're all cleaned up, and I think most of them are in really good shape, so that's good news. And if you liked the video today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so I can see you guys here again next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!